Hey there, welcome to Audio Issues. My name is Björk Benediktsson and I'm the author of Step-by-Step Mixing, How to Create Great Mixes Using Only 5 Plugins. I'm here to help you confidently finish your mixes so that you can be proud to release your records. I've been an audio engineer since 2006 and I've helped thousands of home studio musicians and bedroom producers make better sounding mixes from their home studio. And I hope to teach you the music production skills you need to succeed. Please subscribe and browse the videos on the channel. And if you'd like to take it a step further and download my 7-step mix translation cheat sheet that helps you make all of your mixes sound great on any speaker you play them through, go to mixfinisher.com and download it there. All right, thank you so much for watching, and here's to making a bigger impact with your music.